Hello and welcome to SW News. The coronavirus cases across the globe continue to rise. Let us now look at the global coronavirus cases and the cases in India and what exactly is the situation in India and the daily updates in coronavirus cases. Globally, coronavirus has infected over 1 crore 8 lakh people and more than 5.1 lakh people have died. In India, as of now, there are a total of 6 lakh cases of coronavirus. 2.2 lakh among them are active cases, 3.5 lakh approximately have either been cured, discharged or migrated, and 17,834 have died due to coronavirus. In the last 24 hours, 19,148 cases of coronavirus were reported and 434 people died in India. Indian Council of Medical Research meanwhile has said that 2,29,588 samples were tested for coronavirus in the country in the last 24 hours. Total 90,56,173 tests were conducted in the country so far. As Unlock 2 has been rolled out, many states now want to return towards normalcy and opening up the major attractions in the state. Goa is opening up for tourists. Tirupati temple has opened up for darshan. On the other hand, Kamar Yatra has been banned in Uttarakhand. If anyone arrives in the state, the administration will keep them in quarantine for 14 days and the Kavariyas will have to bear the entire expenditure for themselves. However, the Char Dham Yatra has started in Uttarakhand from Wednesday, but only people living in Uttarakhand are allowed to visit Char Dham. On the first day, 422 devotees were issued e-passes. Let us now move on to important news of the day related to coronavirus. Now, possibly the most important news of the day for several reasons, the centre today issued a notification to extend the facility of postal ballot for electors above the age of 65 years and coronavirus patients ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, which are to be conducted later this year. The Bihar State Election Commission on Wednesday had said that coronavirus patients and people who are above the age of 65 years will be allowed to vote from home or use postal ballot in the elections. Keeping the coronavirus pandemic in mind, the State Election Commission directed that only 1,000 voters should be allowed at each polling booth and the number of booths should also be increased. Today, the Ministry of Law and Justice issued a notification for the Conduct of Elections Amendment Rules 2020, which extended the postal ballot facility for electors above the age of 65 and coronavirus patients who are under home or institutional quarantine. Now, this is what the Election Commission of India said. The Bihar Assembly elections are due in October-November, but like Rajya Sabha elections, will they be postponed or not? That is not clear yet. The postal ballot facility, meanwhile, has so far been reserved only for people over the age of 80 and those people in essential services who are not posted in their home state. Postal voting in India is done only through the electronically transmitted postal ballot papers, which is also known as ETPB system, where ballot papers are distributed to the registered eligible voters and they return the votes by post. When the counting of votes commences, these postal ballots are first counted before the counting of votes from the electronic voting machine. The Communist Party of India, however, has alleged that the postal ballots will adversely affect the verifiability of a large number of voters and thus transparency and integrity of the process and expressed concern with the instances of manipulation and malpractices with the postal ballots. Let's move on to next news. India's coronavirus trajectory is only growing upwards as we test more and more number of people. India has tested more than 90 lakh citizens and the cases in the country have reached more than 6 lakh count. If we take a look at the coronavirus graph, then we can understand how fast the cases are rising in the country and the gaps are getting shorter and shorter. It took India, which is the fourth worst hit nation by the pandemic, 110 days to cross the 1 lakh mark in coronavirus cases after Kerala reported the first COVID-19 patient in the month of January. Since May 19, a huge surge has been recorded in new patients every day. The country crossed 2 lakh mark on June 3rd. It recorded 3 lakh total cases in the next 10 days. Now, India logged 4 lakh cases by June 21st. On June 27th, just 6 days later, the tally stood at 5.08 lakh total cases. And in the last 24 hours, 5 states, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka and Telangana have together reported more cases, which have taken the total tally more than 6 lakh in the country. Now, through the significant step announced by the central government on Wednesday, COVID-19 testing can now also be done on the prescription of any registered practitioner and not exclusively of a government doctor. Let's move on to next news. The Regional Medical Research Center in Assam's Dibrugarh has become the 4th laboratory in the country to successfully isolate SARS-CoV-2 virus that can be used for the production of a vaccine against COVID-19. Now, this information was provided by State Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Scientists at RMRC have isolated the COVID-19 virus in Vero CCL 81 cell line in the BSL-3 level lab available at the institute, and the RMRC is the 3rd government laboratory in the country after NIV and CCMB, which is based in Hyderabad, to isolate the virus. The other facility to do so is Bharat Biotech, which is a private biotechnology laboratory in Hyderabad. This is important for the development of COVID-19 vaccine, where the virus grown in a laboratory is inactivated by heat or chemical and purified for use as a vaccine after preclinical and clinical trials. Bharat Biotech, in collaboration with the National Institute of Virology, which is based in Pune, supplied the virus grown in tissue culture, has developed an inactivated COVID-19 vaccine, which is also known as Covaxin, which will go for phase 1 and phase 2 trials starting in the month of July. Let's move on to next news. India's first plasma bank was inaugurated in Delhi this afternoon by Chief Minister of Delhi, Arvind Kejriwal. He also appealed to all those who can donate plasma to come forward and help others. The Delhi government has launched the country's first plasma bank at the ILBS hospital. The ruling Aam Aadmi Party tweeted about it as well. So far, people have been facing many hassles in getting plasma for coronavirus treatment. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that he hopes that they will get some relief now. He said that he also hopes more and more will now come forward to donate the plasma, and unless it is donated, how will others get it? That is what Kejriwal asked during a virtual press conference. The Chief Minister then explained what makes a person eligible to donate the plasma. In the absence of any vaccine, now plasma therapy has become a go-to treatment for severe COVID-19 cases. Donors will also get a certificate which is called as Gaurav Patra and which will be signed by the Chief Minister of Delhi. That's all for COVID-19 update today. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.